Happy Sunday fun day, everybody. We are here at Onassis Greek Tap House and Kitchen. We're going to be doing our European brunch this morning from 10 until 2. Everybody loves a great brunch, am I right? Come hang out with me. Let me teach you how we cook it all up. The sun is so bright after being locked away in the kitchen today for brunch. But listen, I had a great time cooking. I have to go back again this evening and wait tables. But one thing, since I'm 37 now, since I was 18, because this is all I've ever done is work in restaurants. Anytime I worked a double, I always made it to the gym between like 2 to 3:30 or 3:30 to 5, an hour and a half, to get a quick workout in, a good cardio session in, a quick shower, come back for the afternoon, for the second shift, refreshed and renewed. So that's what we're gonna do now before we zip back and wait tables tonight. Hopefully have a good experience. It's got me a good workout just now.
What you do? What you want?
Piernas?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where do you got?
Right here.
Right here.
Got a shower.
Nice.
How was business when I left?
It was good, pretty slow.
You make a few extra tables?
Sorry?
You don't have a few extra tables?
A few, but not a lot.
Okay, we're about halfway through our Sunday night dinner shift. I've had about 3 tables so far. Quality tables. Slower than normal. I'm gonna say last day of the State Fair of Texas. That's a big deal where I'm at. We have the State Fair of Texas right down the road from here, and the weather is beautiful. So you have to make an excuse for yourself. If your restaurant is a little slow, you always have to give it a reason. Otherwise, it's not the same. If it's raining outside, we say it's too glum and guests don't want to get out. And when the weather is just beautiful like tonight, you say, oh, it's the perfect festival weather. So why come and eat at a restaurant whenever you can be out at a festival or an event? That's how we rationalize it in the restaurant business. That's how we sleep at night. So I'm back at home after working a double.
You want to see a bouncy sock?
What?
What's it like being married to a restaurant man that works late nights?
It's a memory I don't want to relive.
Do you like that I don't work a lot of nights anymore?
Yeah, I remember this life.
What if we went back to
before
this?
5 children. I mean, it was tough before, but with 5 children, it's on a different level.
I'm thinking about going back.
Hey, Mommy.
You better think again.
Okay.
Look, Mommy.
All right.
Think of a new career.
Look, Mommy, look.
That's pretty cool, actually. My mom asked me what I want for my birthday.
It's the ball. It's
What do you want to do with your birthday?
Look at our cute new bowls. This one's not the prettiest design one, but there's a lot of pretty designs. Wouldn't that be nice with tomato soup?
It's gonna be beautiful. And chili, you said,
Or-
right?
Actually, this is a little dirty. I might stick this in the dishwasher. Chili, but you know what? It's like every type of soup I said, one of the girls claims they don't like it. Isabella doesn't like chili. Emma doesn't like chili. Sophie doesn't like broccoli cheese. Somebody doesn't like tomato. It doesn't leave many options that I know how to make.
ooh, I like sushi.
What about the,
I like sushi.
but I got the bowls for nice soups for fall and winter. That's why I got those pretty bowls. Maybe I'll make that new cauliflower garbanzo.
Ooh, baby, you can put a salad in those.
What do you want for your birthday?
A dog. Rescue dog.
What kind of dog?
Rescue dog. Do you remember how it was when I had to beg for Farley? You know, at first I had to beg for Max. Beg. Before Max, I think it was
You
Jelly.
begged for every dog
It was
almost.
Jelly Bean, who you should have let me have.
Yeah?
That was a doll of a dog. Jelly Bean was a Papillon dog. He was cute and sweet.
So you're getting dog fever again?
No, not really. I'm just joking.
Oh, thank
I
goodness.
mean, I could always beg for a new dog.
Whoa.
Thank
This
goodness.
has gnats all over it. Gross.
Look.
All right, everything's done except for bags. So
Okay.
he's in the shower right now. I'm gonna set up unicorn.